It is my first time ever in a cruise, and I'm super happy that my first time is with Virgin Voyage, which is considered the #1 cruise in the entire world. So I'm super excited, guys, to show you my rockstar suite, the VIP areas, and all the places that we're gonna stop. We're gonna do 3 stops. We're gonna go to Roatan in Honduras. We're gonna go to Costa Maya in Mexico, and we're gonna go to Bimini. I don't know the order yet, but I'm super excited. So if you guys want to continue learning and exploring this amazing cruise with me, keep watching my video until the end. And for the new members of my lovely world, if you don't know me yet, my name is Hernandez, and I do videos about my traveling adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share my videos. See you soon. Checking our bags. The beginning of my trip starts right now. My friend Sonia is trying to find some cash to tip this very nice gentleman that is helping us with our bags right now. So guys, I'm gonna show you my suite. Oh my god, I got stuck. Don't worry about it. This is my rockstar suite that I'm sharing with my best friend Sonia. So as you can see, super comfortable. Right here we have our bed. Over there we have the bathroom. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. Right here we have this amazing desk where we're gonna have our computer that I brought because I have to work. Right here we have the music. Woo! And this is really cool. We have a phone for services. And this is very nice. This bracelet will allow us to get in and out. It's waterproof. And there is money here. So we can use this credit for purchasing, I don't know, coffee, drinks. So, another thing that I noticed, we have like a really nice space here for our, it's hard to open, for our clothes because Sonia and I brought a lot of clothing. And the best part of this rockstar suite is we have a terrace. Ta-da! And a hammock. I love it. Woo! I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. You know that I love bathrooms, so let's see how is this. I think it is perfect for the both of us. I love it. Oh my god, it is kind of tiny to show it to you guys, so I guess I'm gonna do some other shooting here so you can see it. So today's our second day on board, and we're getting ready to have our first breakfast, and then we're gonna go and enjoy the pool. So right here we are on the 15th floor where you can have different choices of breakfast, fruits, coffee, cappuccino, tea, and this is what we are eating. Okay guys, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna show you the rest of this amazing trip. Hi!
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. So I had to come upstairs to my room and I wanted to show you guys that this is the way that you open your bedroom, and it's also your currency, right?
Yeah.
So all you have to do is put this thing right here and it turns green and then the door will open. I'm not gonna open it right now because I'm actually getting ready to go to the 16th floor, the VIP area.
Yeah.
Is it a good place to be?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy your day. Thank you.
Night.
Bye-bye. Now we are exploring a little bit more this huge ship at the Virgin Voyage. And I'm actually getting ready to book some of the excursions that I would like to do once I'm off board. So let's see what they have available for me. And you can pay cash, credit card, or you can use your currency, which is the little bracelet I showed you guys before, the one that you use to open the door. So we are on deck 7, and right here is where you want to come to book all your off-board things like excursions, snorkeling, visiting the pyramids, or anything else that you can think of, and they call it short things. I don't know if I said this before, but there are 6 different restaurants where you can choose dinner from. There's also 2 main restaurants for brunch and breakfast, but all around the ship you will find little stations like this one for coffee, tea, snacks, sweets, a lot of places to eat. Oh my god, I need to weigh myself and see how much I weigh now and how much I weigh until when I finish this cruise. This is another beautiful station where you can have natural juices, green juices, very healthy snacks. They're not included in my package. They're like $10, $12 each, but they're really, really good. I just had one. And this is another outdoor area that is so beautiful. And you can also have another bar here. Right here you can take the sun and enjoy this beautiful weather. And wow, look at the ocean. This is so beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ouch, I hit myself. Okay guys, so I saved the best for last. So now we are on deck 7 still. Now I'm gonna go to deck 16, to the VIP area, where I'm going to spend the rest of the day. Good morning. And this is the area that I was telling you guys about. This is the Richards Rooftop VIP. And it is very quiet, very relaxing, and I love, love, love. So if I want to like hang out and party and listen to fantastic music and see a lot more people, I will go to the other side of the ship. But if I want some relaxation, soft music, I will be here. So this is where I'm going to spend the rest of the day. It is lunchtime, finally, my favorite time. So we are at the dock. This is another restaurant, and I'm here with my friend Sonia. We're getting ready to have our lunch. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna show you what we ordered. As I told you guys before, we are gonna make 3 stops on this cruise, and the first stop is right here, Costa Maya. And my friend Sonia and I decided to take this tour to Uzbeka. I just learned how to pronounce it. Uzbeka. This is in the Mayan language. Look how beautiful. So this is gonna be like a jungle tour. Actually, I don't really know what we're doing. It was the only one available because we were a little late to pick all the excursions, and this was the only one that was left, but I'm sure it's amazing.
Please, our advice. Just arrive to the cruise, do your tour.
Yes, that's very important, guys. As soon as you arrive to the cruise, reserve everything, all your dinners at all the different restaurants, all the excursions, and everything that you can possibly book. Otherwise, you're gonna end up left with whatever is available. But everything is okay, you know?
Yeah, we always have fun.
Yes,
The
that's
places.
the attitude. As long as you have good attitude and positivism, it doesn't matter where you go. You can be just right there in this corner.
Yeah.
With Sonia, and you will have fun. Do not touch the poison
Yeah.
trees.
No.
We are gonna stay here for the next 3 hours. This is super relaxing. We're gonna have our lunch here, and then we are going back to our cruise. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my day, and I see you later, guys. This is our second stop. We just arrived at this beautiful island called Roatan here in Honduras, and I have been told that they speak 4 different languages here. The first one is English, the second one is Spanish, the third one is Creole, and the fourth and last one is an African language that I forgot the name. She told me about it, but I'm gonna put the name down here as soon as I see our tour guide again. I'm so happy to be here, and it's gonna be my first time snorkeling in Roatan. They told me that it is amazing. So let's see. We are ready to go snorkeling in Roatan. This is going to be an amazing experience. And by the way, my friend did survival here in Honduras for 3 months. She almost died. It's true.
But as a survivors, no, here it's everything included. There it was nothing included.
So she didn't have food. She had to survive. She had to eat. What did you eat?
Everything is moving around.
Everything that is alive and moving around.
Is humans.
I'll die. Okay.
Fish, crab.
That's it. So keep watching my video because I'm gonna show you for the first time some images under the water, and this is my first time using my GoPro. My friend is gonna help me. She's amazing with technology, so yeah. Hello, we are back, and this is our third and last stop of this amazing cruise. We just arrived to Bimini in Bahamas. This is our last day. I can't believe it. Beautiful 6 days in Virgin Voyage. So it is time for relax and enjoy, and I'm gonna show you this beautiful blue turquoise water here in Bahamas. And right now I just got to the Richard's VIP resort area right here in Bimini. It looks beautiful, amazing. It's not that crowded. I love it. It's just perfect. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna have so much fun. Oh, I see some people that I know. I see a few girls that I know. These two beautiful girls I met on the cruise. They're really hard-working girls. Look at them. They're ready. They're sharp. They're ready. They're ready. That was Christine and Veronica. They are from Ecuador. They also live in Miami, and they're also influencers, traveling influencers. Okay, let's just continue exploring this area, and later on we will decide if we will take the golf cart or not. Beautiful weather. Oh, I found my friend that I was looking for. She's all changed already. She has her juice. We are non-alcohol girls this trip. Well, she never drinks. We're gonna stay here for a while at the VIP area, but you can also rent a golf cart and go around the island. As soon as you arrive to the resort, there's a lot of people from Bahamas that they will offer you that service. So I think we're gonna relax a little bit, and after that we are gonna rent the golf cart and go around. But I don't know that yet because I just go with the flow. Today has definitely been a very relaxing day right here at the Richards VIP Resort Club from Virgin Voyage. And by the way, I love my first cruise ever. Thank you, Virgin Voyage, for this amazing trip. I love everything, but there's one thing that I would love to change about cruises is the stops. The stops, I feel that they're way too fast, and because I love traveling so much and I love exploring so much, I would like those stops to be a little longer so I can, or everyone can have more time to enjoy it on the beach or in the town, explore the food, what the locals do. That's the only thing that I think I should fix. But everything else is amazing. By the way, I was the one that wrote this beautiful sign right here. It's going away. Virgin. Right here. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as Sonia and I did. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share my video with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you next Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Ciao, ciao.